Hi everyone. Okay, so version 5.15, I've added Kaotec blend swap. This use the Kaotec mask blender. You have a few sliders here that you can play with to create your mask. Let me just play with these sliders here a bit. Okay, so now just brighten up the sky a bit more, something like that. If you want to, you can also save your settings that you made. So let me save these settings. I'm going to click on a radio button. Notice that my load is not checked on, because if I click this on and I click on a radio button and there is a setting that is saved there, it's going to change your settings. All your sliders will change to whatever that setting is saved to. So just make sure if you want to load something, make sure that this is checked on, and if you want to save something, make sure that it's checked off. So I want to save now, so I'm just making sure that it's checked off, and then now I'm gonna click save. And now if I do some changes, I check on the load, and then I click again here. Even though it's still selected, I can still click, and then it brings back my settings that I had. Don't worry about the color. When you click load, then it doesn't show you the mask, it shows you the actual image. So if you want to see the mask, then just do some changes to the sliders and then take it back again. Okay, so now I just want to click done, and then choose a sky, and then brush in my sky. I'm not even gonna worry about being careful here, just gonna brush. Okay, so now it did actually a very good job, because this house has a lot of white and light colors, so it did a very nice job. I see a bit of halo here, but that is coming from my defringe, so I can just bring that down a bit. Your defringe now has a Gaussian blur. You can play with that Gaussian blur to, if you have any fringing around trees, then just play with the blur, and that should fix up your fringing. Also play with the fill, take it higher, take it lower. Now what do I want to do? I remove the halo there. There's still some sky on the roof, so let me just take the lasso tool and just fix up that. Because I created such a accurate mask, it leaves me with very little work to do. So that's kind of cool about this new feature. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, where else? I think here. So I'm just clicking, holding Control or Command, and then backspace or delete. And I think this here as well. Okay, guess not. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this feature. What else is there? Okay, I think that's it. Oh, yeah, this, let me just lighten the sky, but looks a bit too dark. Let's brighten it up a bit. Lighten and brighten. Something like that. I actually chose the wrong sky, but anyway, it looks fine. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy this feature. Cheers.